Hello everyone, hope your paper went well. We are discussing 30/5/3 2026 paper MCQs. So the first question, a conical cavity of maximum volume is carved out from the wooden solid of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. So this is given 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter. You have to use pi as 3.14 and you have to find the curved surface area of the cavity. So to find the curved surface area of the cavity, that means you have to find pi RL. To find L, it is 10 square plus 10 square, which gives you the value of L as 10 root 2. And putting the value pi into R is 10, L is 10 root 2, and the value of pi is given 3.14, so it will come out to be 314 root 2. So for this, A is the correct choice. So first answer is A. Next question, nth represent the term. If an represent the nth term, AP minus 15/4 minus 10/4 minus 5/4, then find the value of A16 and A12. A16 minus A12 is equal to A plus 15D minus A plus 11D. So which gives you 4D, and your D, you have to calculate the D. So D is what? Minus 10/4 minus of minus 15/4, which is 5/4. So 4 into 5/4 will give you 5. So C is the correct choice for the second answer. Meena, calculate the probability of her winning the first prize in a lottery is 0.08. So probability of winning is given to you 0.08. If the total number of tickets, let the total ticket send is X by 800 will give you the number of tickets bought by her. So X is equal to 800 into 0.08 will give you 64. So Meena bought 64 tickets. So third A option is the correct choice. So for second C, third A. Next, a campaigning tent is in a hemispherical shape. And it has a door opening for 0.50 meters. So there is a door opening in this, which is of 0.50. This is given 0.50 meters square. The outer surface area of the tent. So outer surface area of the tent will be equal to what? 2 pi r square minus the door opening. So 2 into 22/7, and r is given 1.4 whole square minus 0.50 meters square. So when you cancel out, this is 0.2. So 22 into 4 into 1, and I have removed the zeros, minus 0.50 meters square. So when you solve this, this comes out to be 12.32 minus 0.50, which gives you 11.82 meter square. So fourth C. So fourth answer C is the correct option. Next, if PQ is tangent, in the fifth question, PQ is tangent to the circle. So PQ is tangent, that means this is your 90 degree. OQ is given A, QP is given 2B, and OP is given A plus 2. That means OP square equal to OQ square plus PQ square. So OP is A plus 2 whole square, OQ is A square plus 2B whole square, which gives you A square plus 4A plus 4 equal to A square plus 4B square, which in this A square and A square will cancel out, taking 4 common. A plus 1 equal to 4 B square. So B square equal to A plus 1. So option D is the correct choice for this. So next question, simplest form of secant A by secant square minus tan A, secant A secant square minus 1 is tan A, which can be further written 1 by cos A by sin A by cos A, which gives you 1 by sin A, which is cosec A. So 16th C is the correct answer. For 6th, C is the correct answer. Next one, the line segment joining the point -4, -2 and 10, 4 divided by the y-axis. Divided by the y-axis, that means x-axis is 0 and k is to 1 ratio if I take. So 10k -4 by k plus 1 equal to 0. So when you solve this, the value of k comes out to be 4 by 10, which is 2 by 5. So A is the correct answer for the 7th one. So the next question, the wire is attached from a point A on the ground of the top of the table on the top of the pole BC, making an angle of elevation 60 degree. If AB is 5√3, then the length of the wire. So we need to find the value of AC. That means cos 60 degree equal to 5√3 by AC. So AC is cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 10√3 meters. So B is the correct answer for this. So next question, in the ninth question, in the given figure, AB is parallel to EF and AB given 24, EF is given 36 and AD is given 7 centimeter. You have to find AE, that means you have to find this distance. So we know AB by EF is equal to AD by DE. So we will calculate DE and subtract AD. So this comes out to be 24 by 36 into 7 by x. So x is equal to 7 into 36 by 24. So x comes out to be 10.5. That means your D is 10.5. So A is 10.5 minus 7, which gives you 3.5. So option C is the correct choice for the 9th question. So the next question, you know, Devansh proved triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then which of the following has to be proved true? So you can see AC or AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. So from this two, you can see AB by AC equal to PR, PQ by PR, or AC by AB equal to PR by PQ. So option A, 10th, option A is the correct answer. The next question, while calculating the mean of group frequency distribution step deviation x minus a by h equal to u, it was found that x mean is 64, which is equal to a plus h u bar. So you know this is given 64 minus 62.5 equal to 5 into u, which comes out to be 1.5 divided by 5 equal to this. So this comes out to be 0.3. So for this, C is the correct answer. The next question, you can see sin theta is given 1 by 9. So 9 cosec theta, or 9 into 1 by sin theta plus 1 by 9 into 1 by sin theta minus 1, putting the values. So 9 into 9 plus 1 by 9 into 9 minus 1 will give you 82 by 80. So for the 12th question, D is the correct answer. Next, which of the following cannot be probability of event? So this is correct, this is also correct, this is also correct, this cannot be correct. So for the 10th, for 13th, C is the correct choice. This cannot be probability of an event because it is coming more than 1. The value of m for which the quadratic equation 3x square minus 7x plus m has real and equal root, that means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b is 47 square minus 7 square, which is 49, minus 4 into 3 into m equal to 0. So the value of m comes out to be 49 by 12. So for this, B is the correct choice. So in the next question, you have given 0 of the polynomial. So alpha plus beta comes out to be minus 3 plus 8, which is 5, and alpha into beta comes out to be minus 24. So when you put into the equation, it is x square minus 5x minus 24. But when you see the option, so check the B option where it is given x plus 3 and minus x plus 8. So when you solve this, you will get minus x square plus 5x minus 24. So B is the correct in the above equation. You just have to multiply it with the minus n to get the B option. So 15th, B is the correct answer. Next, the value of b for which the root of equations are rational. So for rational, b square minus 4ac, the root of this should be in the rational value part should be greater than equal to 0. So when you calculate this, you are getting p square minus 4 into 6, which is 24. So if you put the value, taking a as 1 here, you will get negative. So if you put minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 6 comes out to be 1. So in the quadratic equation also, minus b plus minus root of 1 will give you the rational value. So 16b is the correct answer. Next, an arc of length 2.2 centimeters subtended an angle theta at the center of the circle of radius 2.8. Find the value of theta. So you know arc of the circle, that means length is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. That means you will put the length 2.2 into theta by 360 into 2, 22 by 7 into 2.8. When you solve this all, the theta value comes out to be 45 degree. So 17th, C is the correct answer. So for 17th, your option C is correct. In the next question, two dice are rolled together. The probability of getting an outcome x comma y where x is greater than y. So x is greater than y, 2 comma 1 is the first, then next will be 3 1, 3 2, next will be 4 1, 4 2 and 4 3, next will be 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, and when you solve it for 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4 and 6 5. So here 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So when you add them, 9 plus 6, 15. So 15 out of 36 will give you 3 5s are 15 and 3 12, 5 by 12. So 18th, A is the correct answer. So question number 18th, A is the correct answer. Question number 19, HCF assertion is given. HCF is 36, m square 18m is 18m, where m is the prime number. HCF of two number is always less than or equal to the smaller number. Assertion is correct, reason is also correct. So 19th, 19th, A will be the correct choice. 20th, the system of linear equation are inconsistent. So for inconsistent, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2 because they are parallel lines if they are inconsistent. So 3 by minus 6 equal to minus 5 by 10 is equal to 7 by 14. So as you can see, it is not equal to 1 by 2. So assertion is correct. When two linear equations don't have a unique solution, they always represent parallel lines. No, it can be coincident also. So reason is not correct. So 20, A is true, R is false. So C will be the correct choice.